Hey dolls and gents, I am back with a new get ready with me video on this look, you guys. I was headed out tonight, so I figured I would sit down and film a new get ready with me video for you guys because I know it's been a minute since I posted one of these videos. So this look is very like sultry on the eyes. I wanted to do a pop of glitter on the inner corner, but still kind of like dark and smoky. I feel like you could definitely do this look for a holiday party. You could amp it up with a different lip color, but I think it looks perfect with a nude lip. By the way, I know a lot of you were complaining about the lighting in my last video. The lighting was very saturated and kind of on the orange side. So I tried to use natural lighting today, but the sun ended up going down on me. So I had to turn on my studio lights. So the lighting might be kind of like in and out, but I am definitely working on my lighting situation. I'm just trying to figure things out in my new filming room. And I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about my lashes. These are actually lashes that I will be coming out with in 2019. So be patient with your girl. I don't have any links for you to get these lashes yet, but it will be coming very soon. If you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button right now. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you want to see how I got this full look right here from start to finish, you know what to do. Definitely stay tuned, guys.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one, desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one, desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. When I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-bum. Later, see you later, I'm about to blow this up. You can sing my song if you want, I know you want it. It's always kinda funny, yeah, cause you know I'm a superstar in the sky to lead you on. Haters gonna hate, it's a proof of how they love. They can bring me down, nah, nah, nah. They are jealous of me and my umbrella, yeah, they love me so. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. And you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. So royal. I'm so royal. This is me, I'm so royal.
Got me lovesick, got me lovesick. I tried to run away but couldn't get far. I did my best to keep off your radar. Oh Cupid, tell me what you've done to me. Got me lovesick, got me so lovesick. Don't you say I'm falling again. I've been there, babe, ain't so pretty. Trouble sleeping, no appetite. Got me lovesick, got me lovesick. So won't you let me off the hook? I don't wanna walk this road, no, cause I see what lies ahead. Got me lovesick, got me so lovesick. Every time I try to fight it, I'm just falling deeper down. Trying to run away hurt you many times now. I was finally moving on. Got me love sick. Struck like lightning from above. Can't escape it, just let it happen. Put my heart out on the line. Got me love sick, got me so love sick. Every time I try to hide it, I'm keeping myself away. Tried to run away but couldn't get far. I did my best to keep off your radar. Oh Cupid, tell me what you've done to me. Got me love sick, got me love sick. You found your target, aim for the bullseye. You showed no mercy when you shut me down. Oh Cupid, tell me what you've done to me. Got me love sick, got me so love sick. Could this be the last time I fall all the way down? Wish this is the last time. Oh, could this be the last time I fall all the way down? Wish this is the last time I fall in love. Oh Cupid, tell me what you've done to me. Got me love sick, got me love sick. You found your target, aim for the bullseye. You showed no mercy when you shut me down. Oh Cupid, tell me what you've done to me. Got me love sick, got me so love sick, yeah. What you done to me? Got me so love sick.
On every single pic, I see that posing chick. Tryna ignore it, but I just can't help. I'm feeling sick. She's boarding private jets, but I try to forget. I can't undo it, can't erase the day we made. I used to call you mine. I'm the one who got your back. It won't help this time. I guess I've had enough, done it all. Baby, bye, bye, bye. Guess I've had enough. After all, trying to make it right. Guess I've had it, done it. Every time I try, you to know I've finally got your blood. Enough. Oh, enough. In every Insta flick, she's hanging with her clique. I try to block her, but sometimes I'm weak and look at it. A smoking mirror life. She's getting high on lights. I couldn't offer her them things. I'm not that type. No. Used to call you mine. I'm the one who got your back. It won't help this time. I guess I've had enough. Done it all. Baby, bye, bye, bye. Guess I've had enough. After all, trying to make it right. Guess I've had it, done it. Every time I try, you to know I've finally got your blood. Enough. Oh, enough. I believed in love, but you're impossible, so impossible. And somewhere you lost my heart. You're so trustable. You gotta listen, girl. I guess I've had enough, done it all. Baby, bye, bye, bye. Yes, I've had enough. After all, trying to make it right. Yes, I've had it, done it. Every time I try to know I've finally got your blood. Enough. Oh, enough.
no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. Flying higher than the stars, we'll be dancing till the dawn. The night is young, so are we. So close your eyes and set it free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. I'm I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready. Yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that you stood me up. I wasn't ready. Yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still craving for. I'm still wanting more. Yeah, I know just what to do, but still I want all of you. Oh please, give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change.
Thank y'all so much for watching this video and rocking with your girl for so long. I really appreciate all of your continued love and support. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I will be sure to catch y'all in my next one. Bye, guys. By the way, if you have not already checked out my last video, I showed you exactly how I do my fall foundation routine. So click this box right here to go straight to it.